Viewers, now we've been getting you the details of all the seat sharing as well as the kind of lists which have been coming out specific party-wise. Now let's take you across to Tamil Nadu. Well, DMK just a short while back had released its election manifesto and has also announced the candidates for the 21 seats that it will be contesting in the Lok Sabha elections of Tamil Nadu. Now this includes fixing the price of fuel and ending the toll gates. Now Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has said that they will be amending the constitution to give the states real autonomy and also give full statehood to Puducherry. In fact, the DMK has also said that it will be taking over all appointments made at the discretion of the governor, and the governor will not be allowed to exercise these rights freely, and also has promised to scrap Section 361, which grants the governor protection. Now, they say that they will also ensure that there is no UCC and also repeal CAA. Chief Minister Stalin has also said that NEET will be scrapped. The exam, which is highly contentious in Tamil Nadu, that NEET exam will be scrapped in Tamil Nadu, and the new education policy, which has been implemented by the centre, will also be rolled back. Listen in to the Chief Minister.
கொடுத்த வாக்குறுதிகள் எதையும் பிரதமர் நரேந்திர மோடி தலைமையிலான அரசு நிறைவேற்றல. மொத்தத்தில் இந்தியாவில் இருந்த கட்டமைப்புக்கு எல்லாத்தையும் சிறுக சிறுக சிதைச்சிட்டாங்க. தன்னுடைய கையில் கிடைச்ச அதிகாரத்தை பாஜக அரசு வீணடித்து விட்டது என்பதுதான் உண்மை. இனியும் மோடி ஆட்சி தொடர்வது நாட்டுக்கு நல்லதல்ல. ஆளுநர்களுக்கு அதிக அதிகாரம் வழங்குகிற பிரிவு 361 நீக்கப்படும். உச்சநீதிமன்றத்தோட கிளை சென்னையில் அமைக்கப்படும். புதுச்சேரிக்கு மாநில தகுதி வழங்கப்படும். ஒன்றிய அரசு பணிகளுக்கு தமிழ் உள்ளிட்ட மாநில மொழிகளில் தேர்வு, நேர்முக தேர்வு ஆகியவை நடத்தப்படும். ஒன்றிய அரசு அலுவலகங்களில் தமிழ் பயன்படுத்தப்படும். அனைத்து மாநில மொழிகளது வளர்ச்சிக்கும் சம அளவு நிதி வழங்கப்படும். திருக்குறள் தேசிய நூலாக அறிவிக்கப்படும்.
Definitely, when the India Alliance government comes in this center, and we will definitely be able to. This is what all the parties in the alliance have promised. So I think we have a consensus about most of these things already, and it would be easy to fulfill the promises we've made.
Particularly the government, Article 361 that would be removed is what 365 is what Chief Minister said, and there has been a lot of issues that our government and other state government is also facing. What is the DMK planning on changing when it comes to India?
No, it is a amendment which has to be done, and definitely we will push for it. Thank you.
Ma'am, one last question. Union Minister Shobha Karandlaje spoke.
No, it's in a very bad taste, just not very bad taste. It's inciting violence. It's against the country. It's against the, peace, harmony, and it's against the people of India. I think proper action should be taken against her. I hope they would do it. It is very, very, very wrong from any side, any angle. It is very wrong.